Hello, here's some computer help for you. In this video, I'll show you how to effectively translate a video's title and description into other languages on YouTube. Let's get started. Here's a video that I previously published on my channel. This is in my video's Details page in YouTube Studio. In order to translate the text content, I need to work in the subtitles area. You can see that this page contains two different subtitle links. I'll first click on the one in the right side column. A window pops up. I go to the Add Captions area in the top left. There are three choices. In order to make the translations, I need a fourth choice that isn't yet there in the menu. Let's close this window for now. Back on the Details page, I'll click on the Subtitles link in the left side column. This brings us to a page titled Video Subtitles. YouTube already knows the primary language of my channel, so the language of my video is English. The bottom row is labeled English Automatic Captions. Now I want to find a button that allows me to duplicate and edit those automatic captions. I place my cursor over the Published On Automatic text in the Subtitles column, and bam, the link I want appears. I click on the pencil icon. That brings up a window containing an English transcript of my video. The text is helpful, but it's not perfect. So I'm going to edit this. First I go to Save Draft in the top right corner. I usually hit that button often while I'm editing. Next, I click on the Edit Timings button in the top middle. That action shows me the words that will appear on the screen, and it spaces them out according to time. Next, I often click on the Play button over to the right, and I watch the entire video to make sure that the words are properly synced to my audio. If it's good to go, I click Save Draft again, and then Publish. Now, with the captions properly edited, I'm ready to click on the Add Language button. That brings up a long list of languages. For this example, I'll select one, Armenian. Armenian is now added to the video subtitles list. When I hover over the dash under Subtitles in the Armenian row, I see a pencil icon and the word Add. I click, and I again see the window that allows me to choose how I should add captions. And now you see that I have a fourth choice, which is Auto Translate. That's what I want. I click, and my English captions are replaced by Armenian captions. Now I can simply click Publish. That action published edited video subtitles, but I still need to translate the title and the description. I hover over the dash in that column. There's the pencil icon again. I click there, and a new window emerges. There I see my video's title and description in my set language, English, in the left side panes. I need to fill the empty boxes on the right side with Armenian translations. I'll first copy the English title, then go to Google Translate. I paste it in the left Detect Language pane. Then I find Armenian in the right side menu. After that, I copy the Armenian translation, go back to the video translation window, and paste into the right side pane. Here you'll see the red or pink color surrounding the pane as a notification that the Armenian translation is too long. I go back to Google Translate and shorten my English headline. Then I go back to the right side and copy, then back to the other main window where I'm placing my translations, and paste. Now the Armenian headline is under the limit of 100 characters. I then repeat the same process for the description. And then I save. Now, in the Armenian row, I can see that the subtitles and the title and the description are all published. If this has been helpful to you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.